Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. According to the Bank of Jamaica, credit card receivables rose 3.5% to $94 billion for December 2025 to April this year. The value of outstanding credit card debt in Jamaica's commercial banking system has increased by more than $3 billion in 4 months, despite credit cards carrying some of the highest interest rates in the financial sector. The central bank says the increase was driven mainly by Jamaican dollar credit cards, with outstanding balances rising 5% to $86.5 billion from December to April 2026. Meanwhile, US dollar denominated credit card debt declined by 2.4% over the period to 8.2 billion Jamaican dollars. Credit card loans carry interest rate on Jamaican dollar denominated cards ranging from 37 to 52% per annum. US dollar credit cards carry rates ranging from 17 to 22% per annum. Monolith Financial Services, the wholly owned subsidiary of microlender MFS Capital Partners, has opened a new branch office. The new branch, located at 121 Wynwood Road, Kingston 2, Jamaica, has officially opened on July 22, 2026. The new branch will initially provide Western Union money transfer services, with additional financial products and services to be introduced over time as part of the subsidiary's ongoing expansion strategy. Monolith Financial Services is a sub-agent of Lasco, MoneyGram, and also Western Union. This expansion supports MFS Capital Partners' long-term growth strategy, strengthens its market presence, and enhances customer service. For the trading period of July 27, 2026, the most actively traded securities were R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 10,984,131 units, representing 41.52% of market sales. Woodcats International Limited with 3,230,857 units, representing 21.21% of market sales. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited shares with 3,198,955 units, representing 12.09% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 27, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar had trading margins reflecting steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.36 and buying at $157.47. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 88-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.30 and was bought for $112.42. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $2.92 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.99 and was bought for $210.07. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, your career may change faster than you expect. Is your credit report ready? For decades, professionals believed that experience was their greatest form of job security. Today, technology, artificial intelligence, automation, and shifting business models are rewriting that assumption. If you're over 45, you may be asking yourself difficult questions. What if my industry changes? What if my role disappears? What if I need to start over? What if I have to relocate or become self-employed? While many professionals focus on updating their resume or learning new skills, one critical asset is often overlooked: the credit report. Your credit profile influences far more than borrowing money. It can affect your ability to qualify for business financing if you decide to launch a company, secure favorable mortgage or rental terms if relocation becomes necessary, access lower interest financing during career transition, build financial flexibility while your income changes, reduce the financial stress that often accompanies major life decisions. A strong credit profile doesn't guarantee success, but it gives you more options when you need them the most. For our funded and focused feature, most entrepreneurs don't have a funding problem, they have a planning problem. When your business is in survival mode, funding is usually reactive. You are looking for cash to cover payroll, pay suppliers, purchase inventory, or keep the lights on. Lenders and investors recognize this immediately. They see a business trying to survive, not one preparing to grow. Scaling requires a different conversation. Instead of asking, how do I get money to make it through this month? Ask, where do I want this business to be 5 years from now? Then work backwards. Your funding strategy should support a clear vision. 1. Expanding into new markets. 2. Hiring key talent. 3. Investing in technology and automation. 4. Acquiring equipment for commercial property. 5. Developing new products or services. 6. Pursuing acquisitions or strategic partnerships. When your growth plan is well defined, financing becomes a tool, not a lifeline. And that's today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.